Alright everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. This week on Cooking with Corey, we're going to stuff some of these delicious Anaheim peppers. And to do that, we're going to have some bacon, because we're going to bacon wrap them, because why not? We got some hot rotel, we got some serrano, we got some green bell, we got some yellow bell down there, we got some panko, we got like a quarter cup to half a cup of diced onion, we got an egg, we got some Rufus teas back there to glaze. Obviously we got some Italian seasoning, my favorite, salt, and pepper, and of course pound and a half of ground beef. Alright, let's stuff some Anaheim peppers next. Alright, here we got our pound and a half of ground beef. It's a little over a pound and a half. Let's give it an egg. Boom! Egg, half to 3/4 a cup of diced onion. Here's our serrano that I kind of cut into little strips like that. You can do what you want, doesn't matter. Do what you want, make it your own. Bell peppers that I cubed. You can do that too. Yellow pepper. That in there, like so. Mix it around a little bit. Italian fusion seasoning or Italian seasoning, whatever you want. Big dust. That's got salt in it, so be careful. And we will hit it with a little bit more salt because that's a lot of ground beef. Rotel. I don't know. I'm using the hot. Use what you want. Doesn't matter. If you like it hot, get the hot. If you don't use the hot. Panko. These are Italian. Give it a good cup. Alright, now I'm going to get in here with my hands, do this, mix it all up, get it all nice and frothy, and good to go. We'll cut those peppers next and show you how to do it. We left our Anaheims out here, and we got to do something with those, so we need to cut those in half. And what I like to do is get half with the stem, half without. So, get you over here and the thing. And cut it right down the middle there. Get you a sharp knife. You're going to need a sharp knife for it. Right there. So see how we did that? Right down the middle. And, well, I actually left a little stem on this one too. And that's exactly how you want to do it. You can get rid of the seeds, or you cannot get rid of the seeds. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do. But just start that process like that. Our ground beef mixture is hanging out in the fridge right now. We're going to finish these out, get the bacon out. We're going to wrap these up, stuff them, wrap them, throw them in the Traeger. Right, when you're done doing that, just look something like that, or kind of in the ballpark. Whatever will work, but there we go. There's a starting point. These are ready to be stuffed. Let's get on that next. All right, we got these peppers and stuff. Here they are. Let's just grab one right there. Put them there. Alright folks, and here's our mixture here. Just grab it out of the fridge. Make sure to keep that cold. This is a little hot out here today in Lincoln, Nebraska. So we got our pepper here. Just make sure you put your mixture all the way across the pepper, like so. And you're going to have a lot of mixture left over. I totally overdid this. But we're going to make some meatballs, and we'll throw them in the smoker while we're doing this, and it'll turn out fine. There you go. What do you think? Yeah? We're going to wrap that sucker in bacon. And we'll do that next. I'll show you how to do it, so hopefully we don't need some toothpicks. Alright, let's wrap these in bacon. So you want to flop over like that, turn over. You want to catch... See this part over here? We want to catch that a little bit with our bacon and go over it. Like so. And then, oops, I missed it. And then go back over it like that. Make sure everything's still intact. Get you another piece of bacon. You want to start like so. Make sure you grab that in on the bottom down here and roll around like so, and that's good. And then what you want to do is take this end over here, right here, this end of your bacon right here, wherever it shall be. And you want to tuck that down in to your stuffed pepper or whatever. Now, this should cause no toothpicks. I mean, it should be fine. We should be fine without using a toothpick on this, and it should wrap around there. That bacon's like glue when it goes like that. So let's give it a try. And we're gonna wrap the rest and we'll head over to the Traeger. Here we are, all wrapped up, looking good. We've got some Killer Hogs in the shaker. Killer Hogs Z barbecue rub. We're gonna give a good dose just on top, just to add a little extra flavor to our stuffed Anaheim peppers. Put them up pretty good, like so. All right, it's off to the Traeger. Traeger's running at 300. Let's get them on there. All right, folks, we're at the Traeger. We're at 300. Got our 2 leftover meatballs back there. I got 1 little strip of bacon that's back there on that one. That was naked. Anyway, let's get our stuffed Anaheims on here. Get them on there. Smoke them up. We're running 300, like I said, and we are running alderwood, which I love to run alder. It's just like a multi-purpose wood, and I run alder all the time. Not all the time, but most of the time. There we go. Got them on there. Let's let them rip. All right, folks, here we are. We're about 40 minutes into this at 300 on our Traeger. We're running alder, like I said. They're done. They're ready to roll. Looking good, and we'll give them a little bath of our Mr. Tiggs hot with this whatever. What was this nuts right here? We'll get those all covered, but I wanted to show you one other thing. Like I said about no toothpicks, whatever. So what you got? Look at that. I'll tell you what. You don't need to use toothpicks. Just roll it over, tuck it in, you're good to go. All right, let's get some off here. Get them off there. Oh my gosh, a lot of work on that. Get them off here. We'll go plate them up, folks. All right, we'll get the rest off. We'll go over and meet you at the board. All right, here we got it. We got our stuffed, delicious Anaheim peppers wrapped in bacon, topped with some Killer Hogs rub. Oh my gosh, and the hard work we did with the meatloaf filling in there. Oh my gosh, looking totally delicious. Look at those. I'll tell you what, top notch right there. All right, let's take a bite. Let's get in there. Let's get into this one right here. Woo! Ow, wow, 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 wow. Wowza. Right, still hot. I'm sorry, but it's so hot. All right, we're gonna have to cut this in half because it's so hot. All right, here we go. Spicy Anaheim. Spicy filling. Sweet and spicy from the Rufus Tiggs Touch of Heat. Oh my Lord. That's a combination made in heaven, folks. All right, make sure to make it your own. Use your own whatever filling you want in those. And those are the leftover meatballs that I had, and they are looking good too. So, all right, folks, there it is. That's this week's video. We'll see you next week, and have a great week.